Have you ever wondered if virtual fitness classes are as effective as those you take in a gym or studio? Well, you're not alone. This question has sparked numerous research studies, and today we're going to explore what they've discovered. In the past decade, advancements in technology have revolutionized the fitness industry. The rise of virtual fitness classes has created a new, convenient way to stay in shape. But how do they measure up to traditional, in-person classes? Hello, fitness fanatics and workout warriors. Welcome to Reality Radar. I'm your host, Lovish, and today we're stepping into the arena for a showdown that's been buzzing in the fitness world. Virtual versus in-person fitness classes. Get ready for a sweat-inducing exploration that might just reshape the way you break a sweat. Let the fitness class showdown begin. In a comprehensive study orchestrated by the American Council on Exercise, an intriguing pattern emerged. The study, which was carried out over a span of 8 weeks, involved a total of 100 participants. These individuals were categorically divided into two distinct groups. 50 of them attended virtual fitness classes, while the other 50 participated in traditional in-person classes. The exercise regimen for both groups was identical, comprising cardiovascular exercises like running and cycling, strength training with weights, and flexibility exercises such as yoga and Pilates. This ensured a level playing field for comparing the results of virtual and in-person fitness classes. As the weeks passed, the researchers observed a noticeable upswing in the fitness levels of the participants in both groups. Their cardiovascular fitness was gauged through heart rate monitors and VO2 max tests, revealing impressive increases in their heart health and endurance. Strength enhancements were measured via standard fitness tests that assessed the weight they could lift or the number of push-ups they could do in a minute. As for flexibility, assessments were made based on the range in their joints and their ability to perform specific yoga poses. After the 8-week mark, the researchers tallied the results and found that both the virtual and in-person groups demonstrated similar improvements. The participants exhibited increased cardiovascular fitness, displayed heightened strength, and had better flexibility. Thus, the study suggested that in terms of physical results, virtual fitness classes could potentially compete with the effectiveness of in-person ones. An enlightening study published in the prestigious Journal of Medical Internet Research delved deeper into the psychological boons of engaging in fitness classes. It discovered that participants in both virtual and brick-and-mortar classes reported analogous levels of enjoyment and drive. The study further highlighted that these individuals also witnessed a similar scale of decline in their stress and anxiety levels. This signifies that virtual fitness classes can be an effective tool in stress and anxiety reduction and can play a pivotal role in fostering an improved mood and amplified motivation. In an era where emotional well-being is paramount, these virtual classes pose as a potent solution. They offer a safe and convenient platform for individuals to engage in physical activity while also reaping psychological benefits. The study also emphasized on the ability of these fitness programs to help lift spirits and motivation, which is crucial in maintaining a consistent exercise routine. On the other hand, the in-person classes have their unique advantages that contribute to psychological wellness. They cultivate a sense of community camaraderie among participants, which goes beyond the physical aspects of fitness. The social interaction and communal spirit intrinsic in these in-person classes act as catalysts in promoting a holistic sense of well-being, thereby reiterating the fact that the psychological benefits of fitness classes extend beyond the virtual and into the physical realm. However, it's important to note that these studies do not suggest that virtual and in-person classes are identical. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Sports Sciences found that in-person classes offer more opportunities for social interaction, which can enhance motivation and enjoyment. On the other hand, virtual classes provide more flexibility, allowing participants to exercise whenever and wherever they want. So, what's the verdict? Based on the research, it seems that both virtual and in-person fitness classes have their own unique benefits. Virtual classes offer convenience and flexibility, while in-person classes provide social interaction and a structured environment. In terms of physical and psychological benefits, however, the two types of classes are remarkably similar. To sum up, research suggests that virtual fitness classes can be just as effective as in-person ones in terms of physical and psychological outcomes. The choice between the two ultimately depends on personal preference, lifestyle, and individual fitness goals. Whether you prefer sweating it out in a gym or getting fit in the comfort of your own home, the most important thing is to stay active and enjoy the journey towards better health. Remember, fitness is not a destination but a way of life. So, choose the path that suits you best and keep moving forward. You've got this. That wraps up our fitness class showdown, virtual versus in-person. If you felt the burn, give it a thumbs up and share it with your workout buddies. Stay active, stay connected. Until next time, this is Luvish from Reality Radar signing off.